How to install 3utools on your PC. Let's see how the process goes.
Welcome to Genius Tech channel. In today's video, I will be enlightening you guys on a particular software called 3utools. This particular software is basically used for iOS device. You can use it for your iPhones, for your iPad, and this tools is a very unique tools in the sense that you can use it to perform a lot of functions on your iPhone. You can use it to flash your iPhone, you can use it to update your iPhone, you can use it to restore your iPhones, retaining your user data. You can also use it to import music, videos, pictures, contact, a lot of things into your iPhones. But in today's video, I will be enlightening you guys on how to install this particular 3utools properly on your system. So in our next video, I will be educating you guys more on how to use it and some of the functions that peradventure most of you guys are not aware. But in this very video, I will be educating you guys on how to install this particular 3utools properly on your system. So let's go and see how the process is like. Now look at the 3utools in my system right away, the right corner of my system. And also, if you don't know how to download this, it's very simple. Just open your Chrome browser and just type 3utools. As you can see, 3utools download. Just go to this point, any of the websites. Just go to any of the websites and get it download on your PC. It's very easy. Just click on download. It will just download on your system. So it's very easy to access. So like I've already downloaded mine on my PC. There is no need of me clicking download, but that's just the simplest way to get it on the internet. Now look at it on my PC. So what I will do is that either I will double tap it or I will just click it and run it as administrator. You click yes and click on install. Just be patient. Let the 3utools be installed properly on your system. Now one of the things I want to let you guys know is that you can't make use of these 3utools will never detect your iPhone without an iTunes. So downloading this particular software, it will automatically prompt you to install iTunes on your PC. What I mean by that is that the moment you install these 3utools, it will pop up an iTunes application for you to install it in your laptop. So let's see how the process will look like. Now when you're done installing these 3utools on your iTunes, then you can be able to perform any function at all on your PC. It's very easy, it's very simple. Look at it, it has successfully installed the 3utools on our PC. Let's just launch it and see it appear on our desktop. Now you can see it has appeared on our desktop. All we have to do is now be patient and wait for the 3utools to come. It's one of the best iOS tools you can use to restore your iOS device, to backup or restore any of your documents. It's very easy and simple to use. Let's be patient and wait for the software to show. Okay, now here is the software 3utools. As you can see, like I earlier said, that it will prompt you to install iTunes on your system, because these 3utools will not function effectively and it will not detect your iOS device without installing an iTunes in your PC. So all we have to do is just go straight and click on install iTunes. It will automatically download this iTunes and install it on your PC. Let's be patient and watch how the process will go. Just make sure you have an internet connection. It's very easy. Just follow the step-by-step guide and you'll get these tools installed properly on your system. Then you see the amazing wonders these tools can do for you on your In order for this video not to be that long, I'm going to be showing you guys, after installing this process, how to use these tools, either by restoring your your documents from one phone to the other, how to import your contacts from your Android into your iPhone using 3utools. Please subscribe to this channel, follow our YouTube videos, and you'll see everything you need to know about these 3utools, how to use it, the amazing functions. Just subscribe and stay tuned for more updates. Let's just be patient. The installing process is still ongoing. Do not interrupt the process. As you can see, congratulations, iTunes has been successfully installed on your computer. You can just click finish. As you can see, this is the 3utools. Is requiring for updates. You can as well update it. Now you can see that's your 3utools, and that's your iTunes properly installed on your PC. Now if it prompts for update, you can automatically update it. It's not going to consume much of the data. It's just some few updates. This is your iTunes properly installed on your PC. You can use this iTunes as well